Knock, and he'll open the door. Vanish, and he'll make you shine like the sun. Fall, and he'll raise you to the heavens. Become nothing, and he'll turn you into everything. Knowledge is that which benefits, not that which is memorized. It is difficult to be patient, but to waste the rewards of patience is worse. Do not be fooled by the one who recites the Quran. His recitation is but speech, but look to those who act according to it. This is your world, that you strive to gain and that you cry over. Stick to the truth, even if the truth kills you. Your charity will not be accepted until you believe, I need the reward more than the beggar needs the money. Worrying about the world is a darkness in the heart, while worrying about the hereafter is a light in the heart. Do not let your difficulties fill you with anxiety. It is only in the darkest nights that the stars shine more brilliantly. The wealth of a miser is as useless as a pebble. People are paying no attention to the best act of worship, humility. A moment of patience, in the moment of anger, prevents thousands of moments of regret. O God, you blessed me with Islam, and I didn't ask you for it. O God, bless me with paradise, and I am asking for it. My sin had burdened me heavily, but when I measured it against your grace, O Lord, your forgiveness came out greater. Do not love the one who doesn't love God. If they can leave God, they will leave you. He who thinks that he is free from the criticism of people is a madman, for even the Lord of the worlds himself has been wrongfully criticized. Don't depend too much on anyone in this world, because even your own shadow leaves you when you are in the dark. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down. See you in the next video.